What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2017-2018 Plus Honda CR-V. Alright, if you guys are new to this channel, consider subscribing. I do a lot of these DIY household and automotive projects. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so we come on over to our passenger seat and we open the glove box. Then you're going to squeeze in on each side of the glove box. It'll drop down a little bit. Then there'll be a little latch here on the right. We'll go ahead and push down and it undoes it. And we can drop our glove box all the way. And then here's where that air filter is. We just push in on each side and this little cover comes out. And then we can go ahead and pull the air filter out. This one looks pretty clean, so I'm just going to go ahead and spray it off with some air. There we go. Alright, now we'll slide it back in, and if you're just cleaning it off, make sure you slide it back in the same side so it doesn't suck all that dirt in. Okay, now we'll just snap that cover back on. There we go. Then we can squeeze in on our glove box. And then take that arm, and that arm's just going to be clicked up to lock. Alright, and that's it, guys. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and check out my other videos. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.